hold on just a second. Have you ever been scammed with Moissanite or want to get a Moissanite watch but don't know where to get it from and how to avoid scams? Continue watching the video. Yo, welcome back to another video, guys.
We do not care.
Obviously, it's Mr. CC here. Obviously, CC Jewellery. Come on, man, CC. Nah, okay. What's it called? Basically, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you the difference between fake Moissanite and real Moissanite. Let's get straight in with number one. Number one, it's shit. Like, look at, come on, man, like, look at the quality of this, man. It's not even a good wrap either, I kid you not. This is what suppliers be like. They be like, check my barrel, but you end up checking the barrel, buy from the vendor, you get this shit, bro. Like this shit's ass, man. Like, sit back over there. Now, this is real Moissanite. Look at that. Handset stones, perfect quality, amazing clone. Come on, man. Look at detail out. This is natural light too, all natural light, no flat. Oh my god. Obviously, you see how beautiful it is. Come on. And obviously, number two, diamond testers. Let's see if this shit really hits. Because apparently, it's Moissanite. But hey, come on. It's going to be a bit difficult because obviously, I only got one hand. But, okay. Right on the stone. As you see, right on the stone, and it's not working. Another thing to watch out for, people usually do this to make it pass. They put it between the metal right there. Let's try the other one. Okay, as you see, we got the other one now. Let's get a trigger on the stone. This stone's gonna be a bit dodgy. Boom, passed. Another stone.
Yes, sir.
Passed again.
Yes, sir.
Try a big stone here. Oh. It's a bit hard, but like another run out of battery. I mean, not battery, storage, so I had to obviously move from that. But as you can see, this did not pass diamond tester. This is fake Moissanite. Do not fall for these bummy ass scams. These lot are fucking weird, man. Always come to me, top quality.
Yes, sir.
Always quick delivery and that too. International delivery, man. Beautiful shine, handmade pieces. Come on, pass the testers. But obviously, yeah. Right, so that will do it for the end of the video. I'm just going to leave a little snippet of what they both look like with flash. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, just come and support, man. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, man.